This video will show you how to locate your Telstra Locator tags using the Telstra Locator app. We'll show you how to find your tag's last known location, how to ring your tag, and how to see your tag's location history. If you lose or misplace your tag, you can check its approximate last known location in the Telstra Locator app. Tap the tag you're trying to locate and head to the area where the tag was last located. If your tag is in Bluetooth range, it should say Nearby on the app. To help you navigate, you can also tap the arrow icon in the Details view. This will open the Maps app on your phone or tablet. If your tag is within Bluetooth range, you can ring it from the app. Select the tag on the dashboard. Now press the Ring button to make your tag ring. The Telstra Locator app will also show you recent location updates of your tag in the History view. Tap on the tag, then tap History. Here, you'll be able to view a list of your tag's location history for up to 30 days when the tag was detected by the Telstra Locator network. And that's it. That's how to locate your Telstra Locator tags. To learn more, visit telstra.com/support.